We put up a brand new 27 by 54 round RTL signature pool purchased from the pool factory. We hired someone who used to work at the local pool company for assistance. However, he did not level the pool correctly. Upon filling at halfway, one side of my pool in sections lifted 1 to 3 inches off the ground. We immediately drained the pool. He did come back, and he and my husband re-leveled the pool. We are now between 1/4 to 1/2 an inch off at a few of the uprights. The uprights are on pavers. Upon starting to refill the pool at the half full mark again, we noticed a piece of the top rail was coming up at one upright post. This post was leaning in some. After examining the area, we found the boot of the upright where the bottom track slides in was broken. We assume this happened when the pool was unlevel and that side of the pool lifted. We are waiting on the new boot to arrive. My question is, can that boot be replaced and the track slid back in without taking the pool completely down?
There are many above ground pool systems on the market, and without knowing specifically this piece and how this piece integrates in with the base of that upright, I don't know that I can answer that. That would be something that you could ask the manufacturer, that do they think, however, I understand the basic concept of how it all goes together, but each one of them is very different in terms of how the components attach to each other. So I don't know that I can answer that question for you, and I would get in touch with the manufacturer and ask them that question.